Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how I do my everyday makeup. So first I apply my moisturizer all over my face and also my neck. Then I go to my foundation. It's actually a tinted sunscreen and I start to apply it all over my face again and my eyelids. Then I blend it with my blender. I spray some water on my sponge to make it wet for a nicer blend. Then I go to the contouring part and I apply my contour with my brush. I kind of draw the number 3 on both sides of my face. I apply the contour only on the tip of my nose because I want my nose to get tiny on the tip. Then I blend everything with my wet sponge. And immediately after that I apply my concealer. I apply it on the parts that I wanted them to come out and look a little more full. And as you've noticed, I don't apply too much under my eyes. Then again, I blend everything with a wet sponge. And for my acne, I just apply my concealer one more time and then I blend it with my finger, just tapping on it. Then I go to the eyeshadow. First I start with my lower lash line. I draw a long line towards my eyebrows. Then I apply a thin line on my upper lash line. I apply a little bit on my crease, not all over my crease, just on the outer corner and inner corner of my eyes. Then I go to the eyeliner. I start from the middle of my eyes. I apply a simple line towards the outer corner of my eyes. And then for the wing, I continue my lower lash lines upward. I draw the wing and then I just connect the 2 lines together and fill any gaps between these 2 lines. I make the wings sharper on the edges. Then I go to my eyebrows. I apply my translucent glycerin soap with a spoolie on my brows. And while they are drying, I apply my mascara. Then I go with my eyeshadow powder on my brows and fill any gaps between my brows. Then I go to my lips. I start with my lip liner. I always sharpen my lip liner so I can draw nice tidy lines with it. So at first I just outline my lips and then I go on the corners to make my lips pop. And after that I apply my lipstick on the middle parts. And for the last touch, I go with my highlighter. I apply just a tiny bit of highlighter on my nose to give it a dull look. And I apply the remaining on the brush on my lips to give it a fuller look. So this is the look, guys. I hope you liked today's makeup. And don't forget to like and share and also subscribe to my channel. See you next video. Bye.